Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. 723 times 9 is my first example problem, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So in math, one skill builds off the other. And multi-digit multiplication builds off of knowing your single-digit multiplication facts. So if you know your single-digit multiplication facts, this actually ends up being pretty simple. If you're still working on your single-digit multiplication facts, I definitely recommend you use a multiplication chart while you're solving these problems. If you do not have a multiplication chart, go on to Google, type in the words multiplication chart, one will pop up. All right, going through the problem. So we are going to start out by multiplying the digits in the ones place. We're going to multiply 3 times 9. And if our product is 10 or more, we will need to regroup. 3 times 9 equals 27. Because our product is more than 10, we will need to regroup. So the 7 in 27 goes in the ones place. The 2 in 27 gets carried over to the tens place. 2 times 9 equals 18. We have to add the 2 that we carried over. 18 plus 2 equals 20. Again, we need to regroup. The 0 in 20 goes in the tens place. The 2 in 20 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 7 times 9 equals 63, plus 2 equals 65. And we have our final answer, 723 times 9 equals 6,507. All right, moving on to the next example problem. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, 843 times 2. That's our next example problem. So we're going to start in the ones place. 3 times 2 equals 6. Now we do not need to regroup there because our product is less than 10. We only regroup if our product is 10 or more. Four times 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. And we have our final answer, 843 times 2 equals 1,686. All right, moving on to example number 3 right now. All right, 617 times 5. Third example problem. 7 times 5 equals 35. The 5 in 35 goes in the ones place. The 3 in 35 gets carried over to the tens place. 1 times 5 equals 5, plus 3 equals 8. No need to regroup there because our product is less than 10. 6 times 5 equals 30. And we have our final answer, 617 times 5 equals 3,085. All right, next example. $494. Oh, somebody in the chat wants a 3-digit by 2-digit problem. Usually I keep it to 3-digit by 1-digit, but you know what? I'll just change the title. We'll make this a multiplication nation live stream. All right, 987 times 33. All right, so we're going to start out the same way as we would with 3-digit by 1-digit. We're going to multiply the top 3 digits. times the bottom digit in the ones place. Glad to hear that you love math. All right. 7 times 3 equals 21. The 1 in 21 goes in the ones place. The 2 in 21 gets carried over to the tens place. 8 times 3 equals 24 plus 2 equals 26. 6, carry the 2. 9 times 3 equals 27 plus 2 equals 29. All right, so far we have multiplied 987 times 3. So now we have to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since we've already multiplied both digits in the ones place, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. All right, 7 times 3 equals 21. 1, carry the 2. 8 times 3 equals 24, plus 2 equals 26. 6, carry the 2. 9 times 3 equals 27, plus 2 equals 29. So now to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 9 plus 6 equals 15. 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 9 equals 12. 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And we have our final answer. 987 times 33 equals 32,571. All right, now moving back to 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. All right, I'll do a 3-digit by 3-digit, actually. I'm getting all these requests in the chat. I'm flexible, even though it was supposed to just be a live stream for 3-digit by 1-digit. I can do 3-digit by 2-digit and 3-digit by 3-digit. But I'm not going to do a whole nother concept. Like, I'm not going to be doing linear equations on this live stream. If you want to see a video on linear equations, go into YouTube, type in the word linear equations. You'll get videos on linear equations. All right, 485 times 390. So we start by multiplying the top 3 digits over the bottom digit in the ones place. 5 times 0 equals 0. 8 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 0 also equals 0. Anything multiplied times 0 is going to be 0. Next, we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. We'll put a 0 in the ones place since both numbers in the ones place have already been multiplied. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5, carry the 4. 8 times 9 equals 72. Plus 4 equals 76. 6, carry the 7. 4 times 9 equals 36. Plus 7 equals 43. Next, we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the hundreds place. All right, so here we go. Here we go. I might be talking a little louder because there's some background noise, and I want the background noise to be don't want you to hear the background noise right now. All right. So 5 times 3, before we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the hundreds place, we got to put a 0 in the ones place and the tens place, since both digits in the ones and tens place have already been multiplied. All right, 5 times 3 equals 15. 5, carry the 1. 8 times 3 equals 24, plus 1 equals 25. 5, carry the 2. 4 times 3 equals 12, plus 2 equals 14. And now, we simply have to add these 3 numbers together to get our final answer. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 5 plus 0 equals 5. 0 plus 6 plus 5 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 0 plus 1 equals 1. And we have our final answer. 485 times 390 equals 189,150. All right, that is my video for today. This is my Multiplication Nation live stream. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And if there is an area of math other than linear equations that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I'll do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.